Well, hey everyone. I'm just going to take you on a quick walkthrough of a search for professional association and then showing you some of the features that might be helpful to you in a job search. So, very randomly, I chose marketing as the career I'm going to explore. I'm going to go ahead and put in marketing professional associations. And here are some websites just kind of showing you some lists of different associations, but I'm just going to scroll on down because I see one right here that looks like probably a big national association. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Um, I'll, leave the information about membership alone. Might be something worth investing in if the perks are good, but right now I'm just going to focus on the features that are available to me for free. So looking here, there's information about getting some more training. Almost all professional associations will have a really kind of built out section that offers information about conferences, again, to consider. Always a really good section to explore is the publication section. People ask me all the time, like, I'm not a professional already. Why would I want to look at these journals or at marketing news here? The reason is if you are a very well-informed candidate during an interview, you know what some trends in the field look like. You have an idea about the direction that the field is taking. Then reading these articles is extremely helpful for gaining knowledge about that, right? So it could be, an article like this about consumer behavior. You can see this, pretty recent. And I think a lot of these are brief, right? And they also have some links to other articles if I want to learn more. So this is something that I would explore if I wanted to sound like, hey, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to marketing, even though I'm looking for an internship and I don't have a lot of experience, or I'm looking for a job, but I'm kind of new to the field. The other section that intrigues me right away is trending. And so, and of course there's a trending section because it's a marketing association, but I might look at, some of these different topics like branding, for example, is something that we hear a lot about these days. And there's a lot of little articles here about specific aspects of branding. So again, this is something that I might comb through, read about, and think about how I could incorporate it into interview responses or demonstrate my knowledge about marketing in general and my enthusiasm for the field, which will definitely, I promise you, set you apart from the typical candidate coming in for an interview who has really spent a lot of time thinking about their own experiences and how to talk about those, but not necessarily a lot of time showing that they know a lot about the field or the company that they're applying to. So those are just some ways to use a website. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to learning a little bit more about your searches during the discussion.